Your nurse, I'm going to be assessing your thorax and your lungs. I'm glad you're ready to be assessed. You don't have a shirt on. So the first thing I'm going to do is just inspect while I'm checking your respiratory rate, okay? So breathe normal for me. Okay, so your respiratory rate is 20. All right, so I'm going to have you face the back first. And I'm going to measure excursion first. If you will cross your arms for me, take a deep breath and hold. Okay, now if you'll exhale and hold. Okay, now if you'll just breathe normal for a second and then we'll measure the other side. Okay, take a deep breath and hold. Deep breath and hold. Okay, now exhale and hold. Okay. Now I'm going to measure this. 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. Okay, now I'm going to measure your chest expansion. So I'm going to go to the 10th rib. Okay, now I'm going to auscultate your back. You can take a deep breath. Okay, now if you'll come to the front and I'll auscultate your front. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to do is measure your chest expansion on the front. Okay. Thank you.